2 whole chickens, half a cup of lime juice, half a tablespoon oregano, 3 tablespoons paprika, 1 tablespoon ancho chili powder. This is the important one. 1 tablespoon of aji amarillo, AJI, then amarillo like the animal. Then you have 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, about a tablespoon and a half of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix all this together, spatchcock the chicken, and then put the rub all over it and let it sit overnight. Lime juice, oregano, paprika, ancho chili powder, aji amarillo, Peruvian pepper, cumin, garlic. Now sugar, salt, and pepper are to taste. This is sugar. Need a lot of that. Salt, we're going to start off with half of this. That's a tablespoon. We're going to do half a tablespoon. Same thing with pepper. Half a tablespoon of pepper. And then we'll see if we need it at the end in the olive oil. Should make a paste. The spine, go straight down it. Just cut yourself a nice little slit. Go down the other side, straight down it. Cut yourself a nice little slit. Put this in the middle. Right through it. Sometimes it doesn't go all the way through. Just chop that like that. Right in the middle, which is right here. This one did not get cracked at all like the other one, so. Crack it like that. Turn it over. Spatchcocked chicken. Cook it like that. Just kind of rub this in. Back of the chicken. Put this stuff all over the place. Sides, everything. Flip it over. Same thing on the back side. When the color looks nice like that, you know it's going to be good. I'll rub the sucker all over. What do you think's giving it that nice red look? Paprika and the chili powder. Last thing is you want to put your hands underneath the skin without breaking it on both sides. So as you go up against, you can see where the meat is and where the skin is. You're just kind of working that skin away from the meat. All the way down to the leg. Over here. All the way down to the leg. And then you take yourself a spoonful and you just drop it in there. Take your finger, push it all the way down. Now you have it up against the meat, even underneath the skin, and this will help the skin to crisp up. Wrap it in foil, let it sit overnight in the fridge. That's it. should come right off. Here, right down the leg.